Hey, Cal here with PrecisionRifleBlog.com. Today we're testing muzzle brakes and we're seeing how well each one helps you stay on target. And to do that, I have a laser that is mounted to my Spuhr mount, and I can watch that laser downrange. I essentially hold the rifle unsupported the same way every time and fire 2 shots. There is a high-speed camera over there catching all the action. I can slow it down later to see immediately as the shot is fired what happens to that laser. Does it move up, down, to the left, or right? And that'll let us know how well each muzzle brake helps you stay on target. We're going to run through one. This is the JP recoil eliminator, and we're going to fire a couple shots out of it. JP recoil eliminator. Turn our laser on. You can see the laser. Like I said, I am unsupported. This should exaggerate any movement that happens to the muzzle. And that's it. We'll graph all these and we'll see which one helps you stay on target. Thanks.